Good morning. It's Thursday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 88. The coffee is strong, the servers are humming, and Hacker News is somehow both science class and basement radio today. First up, for the first time, researchers have a cell built from scratch that grows and divides. That is the kind of sentence where you look at your cereal and wonder if it is looking back. Synthetic biology is inching from, hey, meat molecule, into, buddy, we made a tiny factory with opinions about mitosis. It is huge for understanding what life actually needs, and also a reminder that nature's build system has been shipping production for a few billion years without a Jira ticket. Second, F-Droid is calling out what it describes as a new Android malware from Google. The complaint is about Android developer verification, where Google wants more identity checks around app distribution, and the open source crowd hears, surprise, the bouncer now owns the sidewalk. Security matters, obviously, because nobody wants flashlight apps stealing your pancreas. But if independent stores get squeezed, Android starts feeling less like an open platform and more like Windows, asking if you're really sure you wanted your own computer. Third, Z-Code is a harness for GLM 5.2, and the pitch is basically, let's make coding agents easier to run, test, and compare. That is useful because right now agent demos can feel like watching a raccoon operate a forklift. Impressive, but you keep one hand near the emergency stop. A harness gives developers a repeatable way to see what the model can actually do, not just what it did during a blessed demo with the wind at its back. And finally, FFmpeg 9.1 has a new AAC encoder. I know, audio codecs do not sound as flashy as lab-grown cells, but this is the plumbing that keeps podcasts, videos, streams, and weird home lab recordings from sounding like they were mailed through a blender. Better encoders mean cleaner audio at smaller sizes, which means less bandwidth, fewer artifacts, and fewer people blaming their headphones when the real culprit was a sad little compression pipeline. That's your Daily Byte. Have a great day. Until next time.